The Mummy, Resurrection. Tagline: Some secrets should stay buried. Act 1, The Awakening. Prologue: The film opens in ancient Egypt during the reign of Pharaoh Amunsutet, a tyrant obsessed with immortality. His high priest, Imkarut, betrays him by using forbidden magic to siphon the pharaoh's life force, rendering Amunsutet a mummified husk. Imkarut hides the artifact that gave him this power, the heart of Anubis, but his greed incurs Anubis's wrath. Imkarut is cursed to an eternal half-life and sealed in a tomb with his loyal followers, to awaken only if the heart is disturbed. Present day, the heart of Anubis is rediscovered by a team of rogue archaeologists led by the ambitious and morally grey Dr. Elias Carrick. Ignoring warnings carved into the artifact's chamber, Carrick removes the heart, activating the curse. The ground shakes, and the tomb begins to collapse as a sandstorm erupts, swallowing the team. The artifact vanishes into the storm, leaving the world unaware of what has been unleashed. Meanwhile, our protagonist, Dr. Nora Bennett, a brilliant but disgraced archaeologist, is scraping by as a tour guide in Cairo. Haunted by her past mistakes and estranged from the academic community, Nora is approached by a former colleague, Michael Caine, who seeks her expertise. He shows her a fragment of the heart of Anubis, claiming it could lead to the tomb of Osiris. Act 2, The Rising Threat. Nora reluctantly agrees to join Caine's team, which includes a diverse cast. Amra Khalid, a daring Egyptian historian with a personal vendetta against tomb raiders. Jack Steele, a brash but resourceful mercenary hired for protection. Sami, a tech-savvy grad student eager to prove himself. As they piece together the artifact's secrets, strange occurrences begin. Locals report sightings of shadowy figures in the desert, and ancient plagues seem to reappear. The team discovers that Carrick survived and is now working with a secretive corporate sponsor, Apex Dynamics, to unlock the heart's full power. Unbeknownst to them, Carrick's experiments have revived Imkarut, who begins amassing his undead army, resurrecting the mummified priests and warriors entombed with him. Imkarut plans to use the heart to resurrect Osiris, the god of the underworld, and bring eternal darkness to Earth. Act 3, The Chase. The team's research leads them to an ancient map hidden in the library of Alexandria's ruins. They narrowly escape Imkarut's undead assassins, who relentlessly pursue them across Egypt. Along the way, Nora confronts her guilt over a failed expedition years earlier that cost her credibility and her colleagues' lives. Amra reveals that her family was killed by artifact smugglers, fueling her drive to protect Egypt's heritage. In a high-stakes encounter at the ruins of Abu Simbel, they confront Carrick, who has unlocked part of the heart's power. Imkarut's forces arrive, creating a chaotic three-way battle. Carrick is killed by the mummy but not before revealing the heart's final location, the mythical temple of Osiris, hidden beneath the shifting sands of the Sahara. Act 4, The Temple of Osiris. The team reaches the temple, where Imkarut begins the resurrection ritual. The temple is an awe-inspiring labyrinth filled with traps, riddles, and haunting imagery of Osiris's dominion over life and death. The team splits up. Sami and Amra disable traps to slow Imkarut's forces. Steele holds off undead warriors in a brutal hand-to-hand fight. Nora and Caine confront Imkarut in the inner sanctum. As the ritual nears completion, Osiris's ethereal form begins to materialize. Nora realizes that destroying the heart is the only way to stop the resurrection. However, doing so will release a destructive wave that could kill them all. In a desperate act, Nora sacrifices herself, shattering the heart and collapsing the temple. Imkarut and his army crumble into dust, and Osiris's form dissipates. Epilogue. The surviving team emerges from the ruins, battered but alive. Nora is revealed to have survived, having been shielded by remnants of the heart's power. She reconciles with her past, vowing to protect Egypt's treasures from exploitation. Amra takes up leadership of an anti-looting initiative, while Steele surprises everyone by donating his share of the treasure to fund restoration projects. The final scene shows a fragment of the heart glowing faintly, hinting that its power may not be gone forever. Key themes: redemption, Nora's journey to reclaim her credibility and confront her failures. Cultural respect, highlighting the importance of preserving heritage over exploitation. The supernatural versus modernity, a clash between ancient magic and modern greed. The story blends action, mythological depth, and character-driven drama in a way that feels true to the Mummy franchise while exploring fresh ground.